Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are comparing HDFC versus HSBC to see which one might fit your banking needs better. So let's get started. First up, we have HDFC. Now, this account is specifically for employees who get their salary directly credited. It usually offers higher interest rates on deposits compared to regular savings accounts. Salary account holders often get exclusive offers on loans, credit cards, and other financial products, plus personalized banking services for a smoother experience. However, you need your salary to be credited to HDFC, so it's not ideal for freelancers or self employed folks. Also, it might lack advanced features like investment options or wealth management services. Now, on the other hand, HSBC is is globally recognized, which is a big plus if you travel frequently or handle international business. They offer a wide range of financial products, from personal loans and investment services to specialized accounts like HSBC Premier for high net worth individuals. Features like Global View to let you link and manage international accounts. They're also known for green initiatives and sustainable finance. On the downside, some users report mixed customer service experiences, longer wait times, and an online platform that can feel less intuitive. Side by side, HDFC salary account, it's best for salaried employees, higher interest rates, no maintenance fees, and personalized services, while HSBC, best for international banking, wealth management, and linking multiple accounts globally, but may require patience with customer service and a steeper learning curve. So for the verdict, you want to choose HDFC if you want simple, employee-focused benefits and higher interest rates, and you want to go with HSBC if you need international banking solutions or specialized products. So that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!